speaking of which, let me put my plug in. It is the end of the year, y'all. I know y'all like to go into the new year with a banging credit score, a banging amazing credit report. The holidays, I'm going to be honest with you, the bureaus aren't working like that. Never have, never will. Okay? You'll get some deletions, but not like that. Now is the time. Right now, not yesterday, not right now, between now and I'll say maybe the first or second week of November. Okay? You need to get your disputes in, whether you do it yourself. If you want to do it yourself, go on my website, fixmycreditnow850.com. Okay, let me put it up. Boom, it's up there, taking up most of my screen. Okay, I literally gave y'all free stuff. Everybody likes to complain about what's free. Nothing ain't free. Credit is supposed to be free. Go to my website. Okay, go to my website and download. I made everything, so many things free for y'all. You got free ebooks. You can download that. You got a free letter you can download, your personal information letter. Remove those personal items. Make sure they have that correct. Okay, make sure that's correct. So it makes it easier to get deletions. But go to my website. You want free, you got it. But you got to bum rush these credit bureaus now, because I'm seeing bankruptcies coming off. I'm seeing child support coming off. I'm seeing a lot of deletions, because what the credit bureaus like to do is they like to rush and fix things before the holidays, because they know they're not going to be here like that. And they don't want you suing them. All right. So let's bum rush them, get your disputes in, schedule your free consultation with me. Stop playing. Look at the right credit report. Stop assuming you can't get a house. You can still get a house at the end of the year. We got good real estate agents. Go to my Facebook page. I got real estate agents across the map. Okay. Post up. Hey, I'm in Montana. I need a real estate agent. I'm in Texas. I need a real estate agent. And they got you. But make sure you're looking at the right credit report. If you need your credit repaired, boom, take care of it.